Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this question: 4 plus 18 divided by parenthesis 3 into 2, which equals to what? Okay, so those who have already solved this, go and comment your answer. I will give them the heart and I will solve this stepwise. So keep watching. Our question is 4 plus 18 divided by parenthesis 3 into 2. As we know, the PEMDAS first priority will be the parenthesis, so we will solve this part. 4 plus 18 divided by 3 into 2, which equals to 6. Now we will solve this part because division have the higher priority than addition. So 4 plus 18 divided by 6, which equals to 3. Now 4 plus 3, which equals to 7. So here 7 is the right answer. And if you want more maths like this, subscribe our channel and keep watching our videos. Thanks for watching.